Welcome back to Evan's Repairs and Creations, where in this episode we're cutting and buffing all the paint on the 57 Chevy. We're also going to clay bar it, and we're going to polish all the chrome. We're going to make it look beautiful. We might also touch up the paint in a couple spots, but yeah, let's get started. Okay, so to start off, we washed the whole car and scrubbed it really good. And you can see there's still some spots on it that won't really rub out. And it's kind of just stuff has gotten into the paint from when it sat into the barn and stuff dripped on it and bird poop and whatnot. So basically we're gonna start off with clay barring everything, and Dad's gonna kind of show me how to do that because I have not done anything really with paintwork ever. So we're going to start off with doing that, and we're going to start on the trunk here and see what we can do. You're going to spray it, make sure it's wet, and then just back and forth. And what'll happen, see that right there? It pulled up that bird poop stain. And if you look at your clay bar, you'll have dirt in there. Okay. Yep. Just want to go the same direction. You don't want to do circles or anything. Just go all one direction. Okay. So as we're doing it, it's already starting to look better. I mean, can't quite see those bird poop stains anymore, so that's cool. And you can kind of see some, but it's getting better. I mean, we did the window, and the window looks better too. So we're gonna keep moving. What's the next step, Dad? So then we're gonna compound. We're gonna hit it with some buffing compound or polishing compound. Okay, buffing and polishing compound is next then. So are we using like the rotary polisher thing? Yep. All right, cool. So Dad's hitting it with some isopropyl alcohol real quick before we do the compound, whatever the polishing compound is. We're gonna do like this side of the trunk with the polishing compound. We're gonna leave this side, and then we're gonna see the difference. I mean, the trunk's already looking better. Like, I don't know how much it's picking it up on camera, but you can see some imperfections and scratches. But like, look at the difference between that and the roof. Like, you can see how dull the paint is up here versus back here. I mean, it's already looking better, so yeah, it's cool. Okay, so what do we got here? So we got some Ultra Cut compound. McGuire's Ultra Cut 105. Then we got some 3M rubbing compound, which is really good stuff. Perfect it. All right, cool. So either one of them would do the job. And this is our rotary polisher here, and this is out of the different pads we have, this one's apparently the most aggressive. So yeah, Dad's gonna give us a demonstration here on how to start cutting. So a lot of guys will put like 4 dots on there or something. It doesn't matter as long as you're getting the stuff on there. All right. Okay. And then you want to work a small. Do the right side first, por favor. This one? Yep. So you want to do a small area, so you can always kind of do this to kind of spread out your compound. And then just start slow. Overlap it by 50%, so I'm overlapping it. Yep. And then as long as it's getting dry, break it off. Okay, so over here is where we have cut, and then over here, like you can see all the swirl marks and stuff. Over here versus over here, it's much smoother. So yeah, it's starting to look really good. What's our next step?
So we probably just cut it again.
Okay.
So I was going real low speed and
Right.
stuff, so yeah.
Cool. So let me demonstrate a little bit how much smoother it is. So like my fingers are just skating across this side, right? And then you get over here. Versus over here, it's all just... So, yeah, that's the difference. So yeah, we're gonna cut it again and then see how it goes. All right, this was after pass 2. It's looking good. You can still see the splotches and the swirls and stuff, all that over here, and then over here it's real nice. So probably can't see a whole lot on camera, but that was pass 2. We're gonna start pass 3 here. All right, that was after pass 3, so we're gonna go ahead and wipe it off and see how it looks here. Let's get the comparison here between, this is nice and smooth, side 1. This is the not nice and smooth side we haven't done yet. Back to this side. Yeah, that's looking really good. Are we going for another pass or what next, Dad?
I think that might be good for now.
Okay.
So we get the rest of the car done and
Right.
we can come back and
All right.
see what we want to do.
Next we can do the other side of the trunk, kind of up along here, and this back side. So yeah, let's do that next. Yeah, the whole trunk is really starting to look nice. We did this side, Dad's doing up there. It's starting to look pretty good, so we're just gonna keep working at it, and I'll show you when we get done. Update, we've been working on clay barring the hood and the roof. It's looking good. I've been working on getting this chrome to look real nice, and as you can see, it looks very good. So we're gonna keep working, and I'll update you soon. Okay, so we did the left side of the roof, and I wanted to show the comparison. I'm not sure if it's picking it up on camera, but there's the left side, and then we go over here to the right side. Left side, right side. I don't know how much it's picking it up on camera, but there is a huge difference between that and that. Obviously there's some stuff on it, but there's a lot of stains, like all of that, versus over there it's nothing. So we're gonna keep working. I've been working on the chrome back here, and it's starting to really look real nice. So yep, we're gonna keep working, and I'll do another update soon. Well, it's looking good. Dad has done the roof, and the roof looks fantastic. I've gone over and polished all the chrome on the car. I mean, it just looks fantastic. We're still working on the sides here, doing the fenders. Yeah, the chrome looks absolutely great. So yeah, he's doing that. Hood's starting to look really good. You know, the front chrome looks great. So yeah, we're gonna keep working, and after we finish cutting here, we're probably gonna just move on to polishing everything, and then you know, then it'll be just small details after that. So yeah, I'll give you an update soon. All right, I'm gonna start polishing now. We're using some polishing compounds. So yeah, I'm gonna do the roof and show you how that goes. Well, I've been polishing the roof here. I'm not sure if you can see the difference on top. Oh, it's stunning. This is just polished, no wax. Oh, it's so good. I mean, it's just so smooth. It's crazy. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep working. Haven't even really fully wiped it off on the top here, but just wanted to show you the success of how good it looks. All right, I am polishing the hood now. So we're gonna see how this turns out. So we've got the car at home now, and we got a tent over it, so we can continue the paint work. Yeah, the hood turned out really nicely just from polishing. There's no wax on any of the car yet. It's looking really good. Dad's cleaning stuff. But next step is I am going to polish the trunk here and see how we can get it to look. All right, so we polished the trunk. Now Dad is putting some wax on, and boy is it shiny, just like a mirror. So yeah, that's looking really good. We're gonna do that to the whole trunk, probably the whole hood. I still need to polish both sides completely, so we're gonna work on that next. All right, I have done the top of the rear quarter panel. Trunk's been waxed. This part of the roof has been waxed. This part is has the wax on it. I just finished polishing this part, haven't wiped it off yet. I'm gonna start on the bottom of the door. Still need to do this, but yeah, it's coming along and looking really nice. All right, so we've got everything polished and waxed, and it looks great. We're here at a car show in Winterset at the square. Awesome place, super cool. We got the 57 parked here. It's looking great. We drove it 45 minutes here, and it did awesome. You know, we've got the original shop manual out here, just kind of chilling. 57's looking great. Well, that's going to do it for this video. The paint looks great now, absolutely fantastic. Car is beautiful, runs great and drives great. Like I said, we drove it all the way down to Winterset, 45 minutes and 45 minutes back. Did awesome both ways. Can't complain at all. Anyways, thanks for watching. There might be more videos on this car in the future where we drive it some more, take it to meets or whatnot, but thanks for watching anyways. I'll catch you later. Peace.